Welcome. If you want to stay updated with the most important conversations on X, formerly known as Twitter, enabling email notifications for top posts is a great way to do it. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up these notifications on your PC using the latest update. First, open your web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the More icon, usually found on the left sidebar. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page. Here, you'll see several categories. Click on Notifications to manage how you receive updates and alerts from X. Inside the Notifications section, look for Preferences. Click on it, and you'll find different options for customizing your notification experience. Choose Email Notifications to access the settings that control what types of emails X sends to your inbox. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Top Posts and Stories. Here you can choose how often you want to receive these email updates. You'll typically see options like daily, weekly, or periodically. Select the period that best fits your needs, whether you want to be notified as soon as top posts are trending, or prefer a summary at the end of the week. Once you've made your selection, your changes are usually saved automatically, but it's always a good idea to double-check for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it if necessary. That's it. You'll now start receiving email notifications about top posts and stories directly to your inbox, helping you stay in the loop with the most engaging content on X. If you ever want to adjust your preferences or turn off these notifications, just return to the same settings page and make your changes. Staying informed has never been easier. Enjoy your customized X experience.